In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use rippling for payroll management, a task that can often feel overwhelming yet is essential for running a smooth operation. Rippling offers a streamlined approach that can make your life much easier. Let's start by navigating to the Rippling website. It's quite simple. Just open your preferred web browser and type in the address for Rippling UK. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by a well-organized homepage. Now look for the section labeled Products and give that a click. This area is your gateway to accessing all the different tools Rippling offers. Next, we focus on the Payroll feature, which is crucial for handling employee payments efficiently. So go ahead and click on Payroll. This will take you to a page that is all about payroll management. If you want to really get familiar with the way Rippling can support your payroll needs, there's an option to learn more. Click on this to dive deeper into understanding the benefits and functionalities offered. There's an important message on this page that emphasizes simplicity, despite the complexity of your business. Rippling's payroll software is designed with this in mind. It promises accuracy and timely execution, supporting you in making sure your employees are paid correctly and on time every single pay period. And that's a massive relief for anyone managing payroll. As you explore further, you'll find sections that highlight the importance of doing payroll accurately right from the start, which honestly can save tons of headaches later on. Another key feature is the ability to track changes across multiple pay runs. This tracking is crucial for maintaining transparency and improving your payroll process over time. Rippling isn't just about processing payroll, it's about enhancing what you do with powerful features. The software integrates seamlessly with other products, adding more value to your operations. You'll find additional resources and related HR products from Rippling that can augment your payroll capabilities. Together, they form an ecosystem that simplifies managing your workforce. The platform behind Rippling's payroll service is robust, further enhancing its reliability. By having a dependable foundation, your experience with payroll becomes much more efficient. Lastly, don't forget to check out testimonials from other companies that highlight how Rippling has helped them streamline their pay runs. Learning from others can offer insights you might not have considered. I hope this walkthrough helps you feel more confident about using Rippling for your payroll needs. By following these steps, you can maximize the utility and effectiveness of this tool, making payroll a less daunting task and more of a strategic advantage for your business. Thanks for watching and enjoy smoother payroll management with Rippling.